Welcome to Maths class children. In the previous class we have completed with our 4.5 exercise. Yes. So by this 4.5 exercise we have completed our chapter and now we are starting with our review time. Review time is like a small revision from your chapter. Okay. So whatever problems you have done in your each and every exercise, few problems they have given in this review time. Okay, so in this review time what all we have learned in our chapter, we will again revise these problems. Okay, so now let us start with our review time. So as we are starting with the review time, you need your term book, class work, pencil and eraser children. Okay, so whatever problems we are doing, we are checking in the term book. If we have placed there to do the complete problem, we will do it here, if not in the classroom. Okay, so now we have first bit in our review time as find the product using the column method. Okay, so here they have given the question. The first question is 7564 into 5. So as I said before, this chapter is of multiplications. Every one of you should learn tables till 20, and if you know, daily you give a reading of 10 minutes. If you don't know the tables, if you forgot the tables, daily 2 tables you learn and keep it. Okay, then only you can do these problems. Okay, so here this first bit, they have given you the question in the row manner. They have given you in the row way. Now you have to arrange them in the column wise and you have to do it. Okay, so you have 7,564. This should be multiplied. Yes, this should be multiplied with your number 5. Okay, so these problems I have explained you each and every number. In this problem we have each and every number one particular name. I have explained you how these names are all called also. See, this first set of number, this big set of number is called multiplicand. What is it? It is multiplicand. The number what you are multiplying, it is called a multiplier. Okay, the number which you are using with the table which you are checking, that is called a multiplier. Okay, and the answer what you will get, the final answer you will get, no? So that is called the product. Okay, so now we will start with our multiplication. This 5 should be multiplied with all the numbers. This 5 should be multiplied with all the numbers and it should be done from the last place only. This multiplication you have to do from last place only. Okay, so here we have 5 table, number 5. So you have to multiply with 4. So this is multiplication you can do from up to down or down to up. Anyway you will get the same answer. Okay, so 5 4s are 20. So 0 down, 2 up. Now 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. So 2 down, 3 up again. Next 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So 2 up, 8 down. 5 7s are how much? 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Okay, so here we have only one digit. Here we have only one number in the multiplier place. So our number we have completed in one step only. Okay, so if the number of digits are more in this multiplier place, you have to multiply with all the digits. Okay, and as soon as you add the number, you have to strike it also. If not, you will get a little confusion in addition place also. Okay, so 7,564 is multiplied with 5. So you got 37,820. So how much you got? 37,820. So one more problem also I will explain. See, you have B1 2-digit multiplier. So 3,422 is multiplied with 67. Okay, so 3,422 is multiplied with 67. 3,422 into 67. Okay. Now these two digits. Here in multiplier place you have two digits. No, these two digits you have to multiply with all the numbers. Okay. So first we will take ones place number. 7 2s are. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So 1 up, 4 down. Again we have 2 only. 7 2s are again. So 7 2s are 14 again. 14 plus 1, 15. So 1 up, 5 down. Again 7 4s are. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. So 2 up, 9 down. 29. Okay. Now 7 3s are. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2. 23. So we don't have any other numbers here. So we are writing 23 here only. Okay. Now we will move on to the next digit. So here the digit is starting in tens place. So we will put cross in the ones place. We will start our answer also from the tens place. Okay. So 6 2s are. 6 2s are 12. So 2 down, 1 up. 6 2s are again. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 1 up, 3 down. 6 4s are. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2 up, 5 down. 6 3s are. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 how much? 20. 18 plus 2, 20. So by this we have completed our multiplication with all the digits. Okay. Now you have to do addition of the numbers. Okay. Now we have here 4. So 4 will come directly. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 it is 7. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 it is 12. So 1 up, 2 down. Again 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 here 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now 2 plus 0. 2. Here also 2. Okay. So here how much you got? 3422 is multiplied with 67. So how much you get? How much you will get? 2,29,274. How much you got here? 2,29,274. Okay. So by this we have completed our first bit. So what all you have in the first bit? Other problems you do as homework. First bit. Next see the second bit. Second bit is also in the same way, but it is there in expanded form. Expanded form we have done again this also in our exercises. Very easy. Yes. So second bit we have expanded form multiplication. Okay. So expanded form where you will do the expansion of the number. See you have the question like this. 3154 is multiplied by 4. So the multiplicand number you have to expand. So here according to the places we will expand the number. See the first place you have 3. 3 is there in 1000 place. So how much you will get? 3000. Plus 1 is there in 100 place. So 100. 5 is there in tens place. So 50. Plus 7 is there in ones place. So 7. Now this whole all the numbers will be multiplied with 4. Okay. Now this all numbers you have to multiply with 4. Now we will take individually so that our multiplication will become easy. Okay. 3000 into 4. With 4 only you have to multiply all the numbers. So 3000 into 4 plus 100 into 4. Okay. Now again plus 50 into 4. 50 into 4 plus 7 into 4. Okay. Now we have multiplied with all the numbers. Okay. So we have arranged all the numbers in the expanded form with the multiplier. Now you have to multiply this all the numbers. See how many zeros in the short form we will do this one. how many zeros you have in your multiplication, that many zeros you should write in your answers. See, 3 zeros are there and they should be in the last place only. 3 zeros in your answer. Now you multiply with the number. 3 4s are 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12,000. 3,000 into 4 into 4, it is 12,000. Plus, now here we have 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros. 4 1s are 4. 400. Plus, here 1 0. 4 5s are 20. Plus, 7 4s are 28. Okay. By this we have completed our multiplication. Now all these numbers you have to add. If you know directly, you can add without having any confusion. If you can add directly, you can add only ones place. All the ones place numbers you have to add first, write in the ones place. All tens place numbers you have to add first, write in the tens place. Like that you have to add. If not, you can take all the numbers in the rough column, 12,000. And when you are arranging also numbers, you have to arrange from last so that you can arrange the numbers in the correct way. So next to 400, 0, 0, 4. Next to 200, 0, 0, 2. Next to 28, 8 and 2. Okay, now add all these numbers. Okay, now 0 plus 8, 0 plus 2. 4 plus 2 here, 4 plus 2 it is 6, and we don't have any numbers under 12, so we will take 12 directly. So how much you got here? 12,628. So how much you got here? 3,157 is multiplied with 4, so you got 12,628. Okay. So by this we have completed our first problem. So I will explain one more problem also. Yes. So in this all the problems are same. Very easy problems. If you know my tables, you can solve this problem very easy. 656 into 9. So expand this number according to the places. 6 is there in 100 place. So 600 plus 5 is there in tens place. So 50 plus 6 is there in ones place. So 60. Okay. Now you have to multiply all this into 9. Okay. Now 6. Now you take multiply with each and every number. 600 into 9 plus 50 into 9 plus, sorry, 6 is there in ones place, so 6 into 6 is 6 into 9. Okay, now 656. Now you have 2 zeros in 100 place, so we will take the 2 zeros. 9 6, 9 is multiplied with 6, so 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54 plus 50 into 9. 9 5s are 45. So 0 is same, 1 0. 6 9s are 54. Okay. So 600 9s are 5,400. 50 9s are 450. 6 9s are 54. Now you add all these numbers. 5,400, 450 plus 54. Now add all these. Zeros plus 4, 4. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. Now under 5 we don't have any number, so 5. See now. 5,904. So 5,904. Okay. So by this we have completed our second problem also. Okay. So like this you have to do all the other problems, all the remaining problems. Okay. Now see the third bit. Third bit is very easy. So same like this only. Third bit also you do as homework. Third bit also like this only, where how many zeros you have in your question, you will write that many zeros and the way you will multiply with the number. Okay, only with the number you have to multiply and you have to write. Okay, very easy problems. You check and write carefully. Now we will see the fourth problem. See, fourth problem they are given like a story problem. Listen carefully. Deepika took 1980 minutes to paint a portrait. How long will she take to complete 45 such portraits? So here to paint some portrait, Deepika she took 1980 minutes it seems. So to complete 45 portraits like that, how many minutes she will take? Okay. So here also you have to multiply and you have to find. Okay. Solution for fourth one. Number of minutes. Deepika took for to paint a portrait. How many minutes she took? 1980 minutes. Okay. So number of minutes. To complete 45 portraits. Okay, so here to complete one portrait she took 1980 minutes. So to complete 45 portraits, how many minutes she will take, you have to find out. So here 2-digit multiplication, 5 zeros are 0, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, plus 4, 49, 5 ones are 5, plus 4 is 9 again. Now we have to multiply with the next digit. 4 zeros are 0, 4 eights are 32, 2 is down, 3 is up, 4 nines are 36, 36 plus 3, 39, 3 is up, 9 down, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, now we have to add all this. So 0 here, 0, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 is up, 1 is down, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 1 is up, 9 down, 7 plus 1 it is 8 again. Okay, so how many minutes she need to complete 45 portraits? It is 89,100 minutes. Okay, so therefore Deepika need 89,100 minutes to complete painting of 45 portraits. Okay, so to complete 45 portraits you require 89,100 minutes. Okay, so by this we have completed our fourth problem also. We will complete other problems in the next class. Now I have given you homework from your first, second and third bit. So complete your homework. Complete your class work also in a neat manner. Write exercise number or the heading, whatever the heading, review time or exercise number, whatever it is. Write the heading of the chapter, whatever you are dealing. Then write the heading of the bit which you are writing, and then do the problems. Write the page number also. Then you start with your writing part. Okay. I'll meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.